What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift back at it again with another banger video. And as y'all can see by the title, today we finally gonna be unleashing the flames, the beast, from the big 5.7 liter Lure Switchy Mobile. As you can see, we are in track mode. I apologize for the lighting. It's really dark outside. Y'all really not gonna pay attention to the road like that, to be honest, because I'm doing something different. So we're gonna go to the apps, cargo cam, and I'm gonna show y'all all the flames from the back end. Feel me? From the ass. This is the camera, the live camera from the trunk. So y'all be able to see all the flames shooting out from the back. And we got a long road ahead of us. So what we're gonna do is take this little drive. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be, but let's get going, man. Let's get started. A lot of y'all said y'all ain't see my flames like that in that first video I dropped. So this is the time to show y'all that this shit really spit flames. And once again, I am in track mode. I don't have to be in track mode for it to shoot flames, but it is what it is, man. Feel me? I'm gonna just try to turn y'all up. Feel me? I want to go to the maximum potential. So we going all the way with track mode and all the way with the flamethrower. So let's get it. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And let's go. Here go the first one right here. Oh my God. Hopefully we don't go to jail, y'all. This shit crazy. Oh my God, bro, what the fuck? Oh my God. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking so y'all can hear my car and stuff. But as y'all can see, man, these flames is real active right now. This ain't a YouTube video. This is the live camera. I might as well turn back around, right? Matter of fact, I might just pick up the camera when I hit the highway, to be honest, because I ain't hit the highway like that. So I'm gonna get to the highway and then I'm gonna pick up the camera. So yeah, but as y'all can see, this ain't no false advertisement. This shit the real deal. Shout out to Underground Tuner for getting this 5.7 right. If it wasn't for y'all, my car wouldn't be shooting flames and it wouldn't be Lure Switchy. So feel me? If y'all wondering what I got for this tune, I got stage 2 burbles and advanced burble option, and then I got the spare PCM, because a lot of y'all been asking like what I got with the tune and my exact setup and all that. So like I said, stage 2, I have no cats. Only get stage 2 if you have no cats or you gutted them. And then I got the burble option, and then I also got the advanced burble option. So yeah, once again, I apologize for lighting. I will do this in the daytime as well. Only reason why I did it at nighttime was because so you can see the flames on the camera. So in the daytime you can't see the flames like that at all, actually. So at night you're able to see the flames come out from both sides. And I ain't really gotta do too much chatting, man. Y'all see it for yourself. This shit crazy. All right, y'all. So now we hitting the highway, man. It's about to get real. You already know that highway action gonna get crazy. We are gonna go in manual mode as well. We still are in track mode, by the way. I think there's a state trooper sitting on the side somewhere. So, but you know me, I'm Lure Switchy, man. I don't get no fucks about that, bro. I don't get no fucks. I still pop my shit. You feel me? I still pop my shit. You feel me? Nah, I'm chatting. Hold on. I don't feel like getting pulled over right now. Hold on. I feel like he's sitting right here in the cut. Oh, nah, he moved. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Look. God, this shit crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, Underground Tuning got it, bro. They got it, bro. This shit crazy. Look. You can do this in manual as well, as you can see. I just switched over to manual. I'm sorry, automatic. You could do this in automatic too. Cause I got a question if it was just in manual that you're able to, you know, use the flame tune and shit. So let me show y'all real quick. Oh my God, bro. For the third time, I apologize for the lighting. I know it's bad, but it's cool. I'm gonna give y'all another one in the daytime. Y'all not gonna see the flames, but y'all gonna hear them. Not hear the flame, but y'all gonna, you know what I'm trying to say, bro. Y'all not gonna see the flame, but you gonna hear the pop. So. I know they probably like, what the hell? Gas does drain fast as hell, bro, with this tune. I ain't gonna cap. Like, gas goes with this tune, bro. So if you complaining about the gas prices and gas and how gas is right now, damn, nigga, why you ain't get break? If you complaining about gas and stuff right now, bro, and you looking and you got an RT, bro, do not get this tune. I literally just had 100 miles and now I'm at 88. Shit crazy. Not gonna go for too much longer though, probably like another minute or two, because I'm trying to get home. It's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my goodness, oh my God. probably gonna end this. I don't want to be spitting flames in the city, bro. You know these cops be out here crazy, and it's the city. It get reckless out here. Somebody gonna think I'm probably shooting at them. So in that case, I'm gonna end the video here, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If not, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. I would do a pool going up this little joint right here, but if I do a pool, it's gonna spit a flame, so I ain't even gonna try it, bro. Please let me know any video recommendations. Feel me? If y'all recommend me to do any type of video, if y'all want me to do any type of video, just let me know, and I got y'all. I'm still thinking about doing a burble tune through the hood. I'm still thinking about doing burble tune through the city. It's a lot of stuff I'm thinking about doing, bro. We not done yet, so we only going up from here. I got the tune. Now I got access to many doors now, bro. This shit crazy. Like, but I'm doing too much talking, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Once again, comment and subscribe. It's your boy, lorSwitchy. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next banger video. Bah!